Hello everyone, welcome to the final part of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Man oh man, this snuck up on me. It came fast. Even though I saw it coming, it's still just, here we are at the very end of the last video in the series. So, yeah, this principle. Principle 101. He talks about a lot of things in this one because it's the final one, it's really important. But he stresses the idea that there are no accidents. We are all the same divine energy. No matter who you are, what your family's been like, what your past has been like, what you've done, you are divine, you have a purpose, everything is going to be fine. So, I kind of just want to do a little bit of a walk and talk video with this one because this is the end, this is the last one, so I know that we've enjoyed a little bit of our walks in nature, and we're probably going to do some more just in other videos, but for this series, this is the final one, and I feel a little bit somber or something along those lines about this being the end of it, because I've really loved to cover this series with you. When I first started doing this series on Dr. Wayne Dyer, I thought I was gonna do these videos, and I didn't know how long it was gonna take. But I felt so inspired to keep going at this, to make this in kind of what I consider a short period of time, to take even hours a day to make this series, because I think there's just something so powerful about it that really motivated me to want to learn more about it, work on it a little bit more, come up with what I wanted to say about it, and just talk about it, basically. So here we are with part 101, this idea that we are all divine, we all have a purpose, we all have a place. I definitely want to stress the idea of we all have a purpose, because we all do have a purpose. So many people live their lives without purpose, without just knowing what their life purpose is. And life purpose is such an important thing, okay? Because when you have purpose, you jump out of the bed every morning, ready to sing, ready to conquer the day, ready to do things. When you don't have a purpose, you just are so miserable, and it's horrible. And man, oh man, I can't even describe how it's felt for me. Having gone from the experience of once having basically no purpose, and to being miserable, to being depressed, to being anxious, having all that kind of stuff, to now being so free only a few years after that kind of period. That it's an amazing transformation that most people don't always quite see at first, but it's something that's definitely worth it. And these principles have really helped me in my life, how I've decided to live my life and what I want to do for the world, and doing things like making these videos to try to help a few other people. Because I think if this series, this 101 video series, if this helps one person feel better, one day, or to live a better life even, then it was definitely worth making. So, this even just helped me, so it was worth making for my own good as well. But yeah, we are all divine. We are all, nobody's just cut from a different cloth. We all can work together. Everything can be just beautiful the way it is. We live in a loving universe. There's so much love to give and to receive. No matter what your past has been, no matter how evil you've been, how much pain you've gone through, no matter what, there will be people here for you. There will be this loving presence of the subconscious mind here for you if you're ready to program it, to teach it, to nurture it. So you can truly believe that there are no accidents, that everything will work out. And if you really believe it, then you really can achieve it. Thanks everybody for watching. This has been Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you guys with whatever series you jump to next. So stay tuned for whatever that's going to be, and I hope you've enjoyed. So thank you. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.